Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2019 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 3,366 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a 12-volt outlet, aftermarket exhaust, Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, windshield, chrome rear bumper, engine guard, Harley-Davidson grips, handlebar-mounted speakers, luggage rack, and a brake pedal. The Freewheeler is a straightforward trike that travels lighter than the Tri-Glide, but still offers power, comfort, and stability. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 89 horsepower and 122 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a 27.6 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.